and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys what coupons we will be getting in this Sunday's paper. So far it just looks like we will be getting one insert, and that is going to be a Smart Source. I'm going to share with you guys. Now what I do to find coupon inserts is I just, usually on Tuesdays is when they pop up, but I just write coupon inserts for that Sunday's date, and then a bunch of websites just pop up. And the website I usually find that's pretty accurate is SundayPaperCoupons.com. So if you guys are interested in something like that, Benjamin, just hold on for 1 second. So that's just that. But I'm going to show you guys what inserts are coming out this Sunday. So we got the Airborne 1 off of 1 Alberto VO5. We have 50 cents off of 1. 50 cents off of 2. Benjamin, can you please stop that, honey? Thank you. Blue Diamond, 75 cents off of 1, $1 off of 1, or $2 off of 1. Beans, Bush's Beans, $1 off of 1. Casaro cheese product, not sure what that is. Welch's Fruit Snacks, $1 off of 2. We're getting Claro, 2 off of 1, 3 off of 1. 3 off of 1 or 6 off of 2. So I feel like those coupons come out like every 2 weeks. It's like just have it come out at least once a month or something, in my opinion. CoverGirl, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1, and there's a 4 off of 2 coupon. Those are great coupons. I never get CoverGirl coupons, but it's okay because we always get really good ones on coupons.com. Digestive Advantage. Dole, $1 off of 1 canned juice. Husband will be happy about that. Downy, $1 off of 1. Downy, 2 off of 1. Wrinkle Releaser. General Mills, we're getting 50 cents off of 2. Snacks, actually. It looks like that. Here we got $1 off of 3 cereal. Not the greatest coupon. Usually there's $1 off of 2. That's on coupons.com. Hormel Pepperoni, 50 cents off of 1. And then we're getting Kotex coupons, 3 off of 2. I love the 3 off of 2 coupons. I feel like those are the best. So there is those. Mama Mary's Pizza Crust. So we got that. Marcheron. Mitchum, $1 off of 1. Motrin, $2 off of 1. Nabisco, 75 cents off of 2. Nature Valley, 50 cents off of 1. Ortega. So this looks like there's going to be a lot of food deals coming. Pirates Booty, 75 cents off of 1. And then there's Purina, Benefil, Fancy Feast. Rainbow Light, $3 off of 1. Not sure what that is. It's weird. Rhinocord, 10 off of 1. Uniball, $1.50 off of 1. And those coupons don't expire till September 23rd. So if you guys have those coupons, make sure, you know, you can use them now if you find some good deals. But usually I wait until after school starts because I can get some great coupons with those. They got Welch's, 50 cents off of 1. Fruit Rolls or fruit and yogurt snacks. And then Zyrtec. So it looks like that is going to be it. There's nothing for Retail Me Not or P&G. But if you guys want to check out these inserts, just, you know, Google it and you guys will be able to find it. I hope you guys have a great day. I will probably only be getting like half of those coupons, not even hardly any of them. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.